Yes, that's right. I spent 37 bucks on the best multicolored wireless Bluetooth control 1800 lumen
LED headlights.
So let's see how it turned out. Hey guys, Goki's here, making more videos again today, guys. We have probably the most asked for product I've had on this channel. They are the multicolored LED headlights, and I'm so excited to review them because they were so low cost compared to like $250, what I'm used to seeing these bad boys. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, here's the actual box itself. Nothing too fancy about the actual box itself. I mean, these are LED headlights. However, I'm fully expected this product to wow me in a totally different way. So let's actually unbox this bad boy. Ooh, there we go. All right, first thing for right out of the gate, you have the actual wireless remote. Look at that, with all the colors that you can change and stuff. Turn it on, turn it off, increase brightness and all that. You guys have seen remotes like this, but never for LED bulbs that go into the headlight system, guys. This is gonna be awesome. It also comes with 3M tape, some literature, zip ties, and last but not least, the actual bulbs themselves. Look at this. Now, obviously, guys, you guys already know me. This is all going to be plug and play. I mean, I love plug and play things. It's easy. You just plug it in and you're good to go. You don't have to do no wire splicing or anything like that. So this is plug and play, rest assured. However, it's a little bit different from what you're used to, okay? Let's take a quick look at the bulb itself. As you can see, it looks like an ordinary bulb. However, it is not ordinary by any means. Look at this. You can see there's multiple different things happening in here. So there's 3 different sides of chips right here. 1, 2, and then 3 right here. A nice little heat sink going on. No fans whatsoever. You guys already know. Fans are great and all. However, if there are no fans, that's even better. So that's the actual first part. Let me put it down right here. And then the second part right here is the actual other bulb. As you can see, completely identical with the same connectors on both sides. But what actually makes everything work is this little module right here. So this is how it actually works. You have the bulbs right here on this side that plugs into this little port right here. Then you got this guy that plugs into this port the same exact way. And then you have the actual module right here that, you know, you control using your remote and also the app. I'll show you the app in a second. And last but not least, you have this plug that plugs it into one of your ports. You don't have to use both of them. In this situation, you don't have to use both of them. You just have to use one. And this guy right here, you just leave it alone. Don't worry about it. It's for, you know, decoding and stuff like that. You never have to worry about that. But yeah, that's how simple it is. So you're going to have this on one side while this long wire all the way takes it to the other side. And that's how this system works. Now, like I said, there is an app for this. I did testing on this app as well, and it works flawlessly. I'll show you how it works in a second. Let's go actually install this bad boy and get it started. As many of you guys know, this is the Highlander right here. You use this H11 bulbs. Make sure you get the right size bulb for your specific vehicle. I know a lot of vehicles like Honda Accord, Highlanders, and stuff like that use H11 bulbs. Make sure you get the right size. I'll leave the link in the description section of the video below. Now, these lights are generally used actually for fog lights, okay? So these are your normal lights right here, driving lights, and these are your fog lights. You can install it on here. However, it is your preference and what you actually want to do. Now, in my situation, I want to actually install these on my headlights because obviously in terms of testing purposes, it's a lot easier, and it also shows you exactly what is going on with the wires up in front, you know, rather down there. However, like I said, you can install it on the bottom. So here's the actual module. First thing first, let me undo the zip tie. And you can see one wire is clearly longer than the other wire. And so let's actually plug the first one in right here, and boom, first one is done. Boom, the second one is done. And as you can see, that's how simple it is. You can see it's plugged in right there, and this guy is plugged in right there. Now we're ready to actually install the first bulb. Now, the first step of installing this bulb, you actually remove this female connector right here. As you can see, push the tab and then pull it out like so, and then you actually just remove the bulb. Once you take out your old bulb, now yours might not look like this. Yours will probably just be regular halogen bulbs. However, you guys already know me. I love LEDs, so I install this guy. Now, let's actually install the new bulb in. This process should be extremely easy. Just put it back in the original hole like so, and then turn it in place. As you can see, it shouldn't be difficult. And if it is difficult, maybe you're not putting in the right way. Let's actually do the other side as well. Exactly the same process. Unplug this. Twist this guy out. There we go. We have the 2 bulbs out. And now let's plug this guy in. Push it in, twist it in place, and you're golden. That's how simple it is. One-handed with the camera, you can do it. Trust me, it's really simple. So now when you're actually installing this, make sure you hide this wire properly. Use zip ties, use extra zip ties, whatever. They only come with 2 in the kit. However, you might need more than 2. If you're doing it up here, you can hide it underneath here, zip tie it, whatever you need to do. There's a lot of room in the vehicle to hide wire, guys. You guys have seen plenty of my videos. And last but not least, basically plug this into the original plug. Push it in all the way, and you're golden. Look at that. that. And now you can use your 3M tape, make sure this is not wiggling or anything like that, and you are done in terms of installation. Now it's time to see how they actually look. Alrighty guys, so we have turned off the lights, but we've not closed the garage door yet because I want to show you how this remote works. You're going to want to actually turn on the actual light on the light switch, okay? So make sure it's on the on position. If you have fog lights, make sure your fog lights are in the on position. Once you have that, even if you don't see light, this is the actual remote that turns it on, guys. Look at this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Look at that. That is so cool. Look at that magenta color. Absolutely beautiful. Pops out really nice. And then obviously you also have white right here. And look at that. That's actually a decently bright white. However, I would still recommend, you know, putting these bad boys in your fog light section. Imagine having these in your fog lights. That is so cool. Look at this orange, guys. Most RGB lights cannot match this perfect orange right here, and this actually does. So I'm liking this RGB orange right here on this. Really beautiful. Look at this. And I'm just gonna do this in real time because a lot of people say like, oh, the remote doesn't work well. But as you can see, look how quick it is. Absolutely beautiful. I'm loving this. And then obviously turn it off, turn it on, whatever you want. You can even have smooth, fade, strobe, flash. Let's just do one of these. Let's do fade right here. As you can see, it fades to different colors. And it's a great thing about this remote is that it uses radio frequencies instead of the actual beam. So you don't have to have this pointing at anywhere. You can even cover this up, as you can see, and it still works. And it will work well. I'm liking it. I'm liking this output, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Let's actually close the garage door. I'm super excited to see how it looks in the dark. And let's use the app, which makes this even better. Okay, so it's extremely dark in here. These are the amber lights, you know, turn signal lights, but this is the actual bulb right here. Here's the actual app. And I showed you before that it looks extremely clean. Very beautiful looking app right here. First things first, make sure you tap on this button right here to turn it on. Look at that. Once you have it connected to Bluetooth, guys, so quick, so fast. Let me do that one more time. Let me show you how quick and fast this is. Look at that. No joke how fast this is. A lot of people say, oh, the app doesn't work well and everything like that. But look, I'm showing you right here that, let me just change it to red. Bam, green, bam. Look at this. Super quick and cool. Now, let's actually go to the white light. Here's the white right here. What? Looking awesome in the dark. Also, look at that. Now, obviously, guys, I would not recommend this for headlights. However, for fog lights, A1s right here, guys. These will look awesome for fog lights. They're so bright. I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be a little bit darker because, you know, 37 bucks. But quality in this is really good, guys. I'm liking this a lot. Let's change it to a different color. Look at how smooth it is. Very beautiful. I'm loving it. I'm loving this magenta color right here, guys. For fog lights, these things will look so cool. This definitely gives your vehicle an extremely unique look. If you want this unique look in your fog lights, bam. Now, if you're, you know, just running normal lights on your fog lights, there you have it. And then, you know, on a rainy day, bam, you have this. Really, really awesome. You can just use it as that. Colors are popping on this, guys. Popping. I'm loving it. I was just playing with the app, guys. There's so many features on this, including even the music app right here. And you can see I'm going to put this one song. You guys already know this song right here, Alone by Marshmello. I'm not going to play it for too long because obviously copyright strike, but look, as you can see, look at that. It changes with the color. Obviously, you can have this connected to your vehicle as well. Have the music playing in the car. This is another song. Beautiful. Look at that. You will not get this kind of look with anything else in terms of headlights. Look at that. If you want some color changing LEDs, guys, that connect with your phone wirelessly and your music, and they're actually pretty bright, these are it. I'm absolutely loving this, and I know you will love it. Alrighty, guys, it's time for rating time. In terms of low price, the accurate and beautiful RGB colors, this seamless wireless app, and surprisingly how bright it is, I have to give it a solid 9 out of 10. These LEDs are something that, you know, really surprised me due to the quality and price. Look at other reviews on the Amazon link in the description below to get other people's opinions as well. Alright guys, that's finished it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase everything is going to be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. But let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think of those bulbs? I know they're different and completely unique, but I think if you're looking for some multicolored LEDs, those are it. But if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Other than that guys, can you just hear saying thanks for watching and peace.